Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again in euro currency. So yesterday we said that market stands at the crucial area for our short-term scenario because for the really few months already we talked about the possible hand shoulders here, and currently market stands at the point where we will get clear sign either of the failure of this pattern, if market will drop below this area, starts moving down, or if market will push higher from this area, it will keep chance on appearing of large A, B, C bottom D pattern. So of course this will be some kind of the fundamental support probably for this action, and maybe it will appear, but from the technical point of view this area is very important because failure at the right arm of the hand shoulders will mean that market will drop below the head, and that will be the downward continuation with our long-term trend on monthly chart, where we're waiting for 108 target, and currently we're dealing with a retracement. So initially we thought that the retracement will be 119, 120 area, but then situation has changed a bit, so we've got 118.20, but the Fed policy has become a bit more aggressive, and statistics from the United States is more positive, and that now is pressing on euro currency and other currencies in favor of the United States dollar. So euro also has its own problems with the Italy debt burden and the negotiations on the Brexit, because it's not really too much time left till the final moment where the Brexit should start. But a lot of subjects that have not been conversated yet, not been discussed, and so a lot of really tricky moment stands in the discussion of this moment. So that all this stuff is pressing on the euro currency as well. So what we see today. So today, guys, we'll get the non-farm payrolls release. Statistics suggest that it should be positive because the ADP report was very good. ISM index in general economy shows very good signs of the growth. And today all eyes will be on the wage inflation. That's a part of the report. Not the numbers on employment right now is really interesting because actually economy of the United States stands at high saturation of the employment, so it can't create the new job places at the same pace as it was half a year ago. So and this is not currently the major number that currently investors watching. They're mostly watching for inflation, and that's what we will see also today. In the price action, guys, that we see on this support, well, I did not see any really something interesting, at least on the daily chart. So you can see this candle was important, as I said yesterday. It was really strong bearish action because market has created a new top compared to previous session, but closed below the lows of the previous session. So it's a very big reversal candle to the downside. Upward bounce here, it's not impressive. So definitely it's not the sign of the reversal. So we will see what will happen today. At this moment, guys, I see only one pattern that could be formed here. So first I'll take a look at the follow time frame chart. Here is also nothing really interesting. Markets dropped below weekly pivot support one, below the trend line. And the pattern that I see that could be formed, guys, is a Gartley's Gartley's 3 drive buy. Because take a look, that is first drive, pullback, second drive stands almost at 127 of the first, and the third drive theoretically should be at the crossing of the 127 of the second drive and 1618 of the first drive, and they stand at the same point as you can see. It's approximately 114.50 area. So that's the point that probably will become the crucial for our daily setup and for our short-term view on euro currency in general. So if market will start to work, well, maybe it will put the foundation on the upward reversal here. Of course, it will be supported by some fundamental background. Maybe it will be a bit not good as expected, non-farm payrolls data or something of that sort. Maybe some inner events will be in the European Union, but something probably should happen. If market will fail to a response on this pattern and just will collapse lower, well, that's also be an answer to us that it's probably we should forget about the reverse hand shoulders on the daily and should be prepared for a drop below 113 area. Actually, guys, this pattern already has worked on the Great British Pound. Yesterday we've got the same pattern on the cable, and it already has hit the minor target. So you can see first drive, second, third. The top of the three drive pattern is, the top between the second and third drive, and it already has been completed on the Great British Pound. So this is minimal target. Now is turn past to euro currency, and we'll be watching what will happen. Also, of course, it could happen that market will just limit the upside action by the minimal target, so it will take it out of this top and then reverse down again. But anyway, that will be the same to us. So if market even completely free drive with the minor target turns down, then drop below the lows, well, it nevertheless will be the bearish sign. So we would like to see from the free drive is a pullback. The background for real reversal. So market should start fast acceleration upward action. Only this role of this pattern will be suitable to us. Minor response on this pattern and then collapse again, bring nothing to the bulls, and this actually will not, you will not recognize this action on the daily chart. But the drop below the 115, 114.50 areas will be a decisive moment. So personally, guys, I do not trade the non-farm payrolls releases, and I will be watching where the data will be in place. And you could make your own decision. So depending on your trading style, maybe you will try to anticipate and put the bet on the non-farm payrolls release, and maybe these patterns redrives will be helpful. So let's see. So today's important session, and maybe in the weekend we will get already new inputs for longer term analysis on the weekly chart, on the monthly.